Hi! In front of me is REALME 9, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Settings, then scroll down and choose Privacy section here. After that, you need to select Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features, like location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Calendar and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow only while using. So now when I go back, as you can see, Calendar just gained access to this device location. But you can always just click on any feature, select any app, and scroll down. Then select See All, in this case Calendar permissions, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!